Hello friends, welcome to my channel Sushant. Today we are at the next topic, that is the endgame studies explained, and we are at the 101st position of our topic. This is a very unique position, very interesting idea we will see here. It is white to play and win. At first the position looks very easy. Both are trying to queen their pawns. White has to play the move e7. There is no other candidate move. So let's try to calculate quickly. After e7, of course, f1 queen first, otherwise e8 is checkmate. So e8 queens, and then the queen comes to f8, and it looks like what, just qd7, typical queen versus queen position. King has no place to move. We see that there will be mate on the g7 or the h7 squares. But then why would there be the pawn on a2? The a2 pawn must have some purpose, right? So that is the point of this position here. It's a very unique position, and a long drawn maneuvering is there, so called the escalator or the seesaw. Let's get down to the moves quickly. e7, f1 equal to queen, e8 equal to queen check, forcing queen f8. Now if white plays qd7, then black has the very simple queen f6 check. Now this forces the king to take the queen, and the new queen which emerges with a check. Not only that, it has enough space on the other side to give checks and harass the white king. So this position cannot be won by white. Thus this is the first point of the position. Now what is white supposed to do? Because he can't have any waiting move here. Whatever he has to do is to do with checks. So of course queen e6 check, king h8. And here we see the unique maneuver which I was mentioning. See the movement of the queen. Queen comes to e5, from e6 to e5. King g8, queen d5. The queen is moving like the steps, so called the escalator. King has to go back to h8. Queen d4 check. See the movement. King g8, qc4 check. King h8. Of course, queen a2 is not possible, just queen g8 would be drawn. Queen c3 check again. King g8, qb3 check. King h8, again qb2 check. Every move is a check, and the position is changing, so there is no scope for a draw. Now, queen a2 check, king h8. White has completed the first part of the maneuver. He has taken the pawn with the checks, and now he goes back to the same position with the same idea again. So qb2 check, kg8, qb3 check, king h8, qc3 check, kg8, qc4 check, king h8. If now we hurry to play the move qc7, then black has the move qg8 check. After king h6, qg8 check, king h6, there is queen f8. But these two checks are constantly available and the game will be drawn. So here instead of qc7, again qd4 check, kg8, and the queen comes to d7. This time there is nothing that black can do. It's a forced mate now. Queen f5 at the most, trying to push the king away, but the queen takes, and here he gets mated no matter what. After h5, just qc8 is checkmate. Although the position was not very difficult, we would say, but it was very interesting and it shows a unique pattern. I hope you will find the lesson interesting and useful. Thanks for your time.